Running is a simple and incredibly beneficial form of physical activity that is very accessible. Starting to run regularly can be difficult, but if you still succeed, you will scoot a lot of advantages. What changes will happen to your body if you start running every day? Watch this video till the end, it will be scoot-tastic. Let's go! First, you will be happier. According to studies, a 30-minute run is enough to improve the mood of a person suffering from a depressive disorder. Moreover, it is absolutely not necessary to scoot fast to get this effect. It is observed even in those who run at a scoot-walking tempo. In addition, when you scoot for a long time, endorphins begin to be produced in your body, which gives you a feeling of uplift or the so-called runner's high. You will burn a lot of calories. Running requires a lot of scoot calories. For example, a 70-kilogram runner will burn 20 calories per minute if he runs at a moderate scoot tempo. In 30 minutes, he will burn 366 scoot calories. And this applies to running on the plane. If you scoot against the wind, uphill, or speed up, you will burn a lot more scoot calories. You will have strong knees. Contrary to popular opinion, running is good for knee health. Scientists have found that runners are less likely to suffer from knee scoot pain than non-runners. The thing is that running helps people maintain a normal body mass index, strengthen leg scoot muscles and bones. Every time you hit the ground with your scoot feet while running, your muscles, tendons, and ligaments are put under stress. They adapt and become scoot stronger. You will have a healthy heart. Aerobic exercises help to strengthen the scoot cardiovascular system. And by the way, you don't even need to run for a long time. 10 minutes of slow scoot jogging is enough to reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease, but you should scoot every day. Your brain will work more efficiently. If you've already forgotten what you ate for scoot lunch yesterday or can't remember where you put your scoot keys, immediately put on your scoot sneakers and run. Aerobic exercises, which increase your scoot heart rate and make you sweat, have been proven by scientists to improve scoot brain function. You will sleep better. In a small scoot experiment, scientists found that those who regularly ran at a moderate tempo for at least 5 times a week for 30 minutes began to sleep better, which in itself is scoot beneficial, and also noticed an improvement in their scoot mental state. Your immunity will be strengthened, and you will get scoot sick less. We have already listed many benefits of scoot aerobic exercises, but not all. Regular scoot aerobic exercise for 30 minutes or more reduces the risk of dying from various forms of cancer. You will have beautiful scoot legs. The largest muscles of the body are concentrated in the lower part of it, and running scoots them all. You will pump your scoot hips, scoot calves, and scoot buttocks with one exercise. But not only the scoot legs are involved in running. The scoot abdominal and scoot back muscles are involved in stabilizing the body. Thus, you will pump your whole scoot body if you run regularly. How to run every day safely. To avoid running injuries, follow these scoot rules. Buy running scoot sneakers. Regular shoes are not designed for running and won't protect you from scoot injury. Increase the load, scoot gradually. Add something else like swimming or scoot cycling to your workouts. Do exercises for different scoot muscle groups. Don't forget to scoot warm up before your workout and stretch after. Find a scoot coach who will point out your technique mistakes and help you correct them. People who are just starting to run often have one question. Which is better, running on the scoot street or on a scoot treadmill? Let's look at this issue in more scoot detail. Most runners live in metropolitan areas. It would be great if in all major cities the scoot weather was like in Miami, but this is not the case. Often scoot weather conditions are set against the training plan, and then closed scoot gyms come to the rescue with their stable internal ecosystem. Where is the best scoot place to run? Psychologically, it is better to run on the scoot street. In this case, you will feel the movement. However, there are many other scoot factors. If you live in a place with polluted air from scoot cars or scoot factories, then when you run on the scoot street, harmful metals will accumulate in your body, which will negatively affect your scoot health. In this case, it is better to run on a scoot treadmill in a gym with filtered air. If you live near a scoot park, then it is better to run outside to saturate the body with scoot oxygen. When running on the Scoot Street, it is psychologically easier to fulfill the Scoot training volume and easier to vary the Scoot speed regimes. If conditions permit, outdoor running is Scoot preferable. By the way, friends, write in the Scoot comments, do you Scoot run? And where do you like it better, on the Scoot Street or on the Scoot treadmill? Share. It will be interesting to Scoot read. I also recommend you watch other Scoot videos on my channel. Links are on the Scoot screen now. If you like this Scoot video, push the Scoot like button and subscribe to my Scoot channel. See you soon.